think we're ready to go. It's a pretty nice boat ramp, actually. Nice and wide. You can do 2 at a time. I don't know how you boaters feel about kayakers using the boat ramp, but it's a Thursday. There's not really busy. I think if it was really busy, I wouldn't do this. God damn, sunscreen in my eye. So let's do this. Jesus Christ. I'm trying to enjoy this moment, but there's like, it feels like a glob of some sunscreen in my eye. All right, we're doing this. So I got my little lanyard right here. I told my wife I was leaving, where I was gonna be, and what time I was gonna check back in with her. Unfortunately, I don't have service here, which isn't very safe, but I don't have service anywhere. But I told her what time I should be done, so that way, if I don't call her by then, I should probably send someone for help. This water's really dirty. I can see why you need a really good paddle, because my shoulders hurt already. I'm gonna take my first cast. I'm gonna do it sitting down for now until I graduate to standing up. It's a little windy today, which is good and bad. Wow, it's windy today. It's the first problem. Wind. It's hard to get in the right spot. Let's take it easy. Do a nice little cast. Nice. Doesn't seem that deep here. All right, I'm going to try to stand up. Try not to flip. Let's just see. Where'd my lanyard go? How did this come off? Oh my God. Dude, that was hard. Screw that. Let me tie this off again. I don't know how this came off. Let's try this again. Dude, I was gonna fall. Okay. It makes sense. Man. That was not... Oh my God. Oh my God. Screw this. I'm gonna... Yeah. This is... Maybe I just suck at it. Not doing that. I'm gonna take a little pee break. The water level's pretty high. It's been raining rain this week. It's kind of cool to see. Real slow and shady. We stand up. This is ridiculous. I'm in real shallow water, so you can probably see the grass sticking up. So I'm just gonna get some practice since the fish aren't biting. It's the middle of the day, which is expected. Woke up late. That's my fault. All right. So I'm getting the hang of it. I think the first time I stood up, I was just really scared because I was just in open water. If you're completely level, it's very wobbly. But if once you lean over to one side, it's pretty stable. Yeah, I don't want to do that on purpose. Something you need to get used to. I've been standing for like 3 minutes and my feet are on fire. Once you start going too, it's a little easier. It's like riding a bike or anything else, I guess. Once it's moving, it's easier to balance because of like science and physics and whatnot. This is so fun. I'm not even fishing. I have paddleboarded before. That's extremely hard, but that was in the ocean. So that was a lot more difficult. Oh my God. Whoa. That was a big fish. Okay, let's try to sit down without freaking falling. I just spooked a huge fish. I don't think that was on camera. It was off to my left. Whoa. That was a big bass. Pretty sure that was a bass. I spooked the crap out of it. It's really shallow here. This is like probably not even a foot of water. Yeah, it's not. That bass was in this foot of water just chilling, I guess. I can't use this crankbait. It's way too shallow. Jesus Christ. I mean, that's good to know that they're in the shallow water. That means it's cooling down. Fish on. Yeah. Oh, she's a beauty. Oh, that's kind of ugly, actually. Yay. Almost lost my pole. That is the first fish on the kayak, ladies and gentlemen. She's beautiful. She's beautiful. She's a little one, but she's pretty. Wow. That was so cool. Cool. And there she is. The first fish on the kayak. That's so awesome. On this little Rapala jerkbait. Bye. Thank you. Thank you very much. Only took like 3 hours to catch something, but yay. Let's try to get another one. What's up? Today was a success. I'll tell you why. Because I got my first fish off of my new kayak. That was awesome. It took me like 3 hours to get that one dang little fish, but I got it and I'm happy. It was a little dinker, but she was beautiful, right? And why am I like looking at my chin? That's better. Okay, I went out to my spot around 10 o'clock. I know that's really late. The problem was I woke up late. I set my alarm to 6 o'clock in the morning, which is, it's not that early, but it's early enough to wake up. I consumed a few adult beverages last night. I'm not saying that was the reason I woke up late, but you can kind of see the correlation here. Well, I woke up to my 6 o'clock alarm and my phone was on the ground. I don't know why it was on the ground and in the bathroom, like 15 feet away from my bed. Yeah, that was weird. I got up, turned my alarm off, looked at my phone, and I saw that my battery was at 4%. Good job, dingus. So I plugged my phone back in, and my genius idea was take this opportunity to take a nap because I'm a little tired still. So I do that. In hindsight, I should have plugged my phone in, packed all my stuff in my truck, got ready to go, made some coffee, sucked it up, but I didn't. I took a nap and mistakes were made. Set my alarm for 6:30. 30-minute nap, that should bring my phone up to at least 70-80% and I can charge the rest of my truck. So I don't remember hearing the 6:30 alarm and I woke up around 8 o'clock. Yeah. Just starting the day off right, you know what I mean? That's what catch the big fish. I think I would have caught a lot more fish if I woke up on time. But don't worry, I'll make it up to you. Not gonna mess up again. And we're gonna kill it. Oh, why is my nose so itchy? I hate that. Oh, my Lanta. I'm gonna go eat. God bless America. I'm gonna go eat and then edit some video and wrap this video up before I sneeze again. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye. What's going on?